Buenas tardes, Bogota. Good afternoon and greetings from Bogota, Colombia. We've just checked in an Airbnb apartment in the Chapinero area of Bogota, and something bad happened with Airbnb that actually ended up okay after all, I think. We had a last minute cancellation of our Airbnb apartment because supposedly the place we were going to stay in was trashed by the people who just checked out. So we had to scramble and find a new place. Airbnb gave us a $71 credit and some sort of coupon for a future thing, so that was good. But the good thing is that the place we found, this one is about $41. It's about half the price of the one that we were renting, so we're actually saving some money. So this is a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom condo on the fifth floor, I believe, on the 5th floor of a doorman building. And we're here in the beautiful little living area. It's very comfortable. This actually looks better, I think, than the photos that I saw on Airbnb. So those of you who have apartments that you rent out on Airbnb, make sure your photos are good because you want to show it as best as you can. It even has a fireplace. I don't know if that works or not, but I always like little original touches, like these. Here's a little pig and a little walrus and some original artwork, I guess that is. It looks original. I don't know. Anyway, so we have the couch here, the living dining area. No dining room. Well, there is a dining room table and there's a kitchen. Angel, you cook and I don't. What do you think of the kitchen?
I like the kitchen. It's modern. It has everything you need, and I just search everywhere, and it has everything. It has wine glasses and cooking utensils.
And Angel also pointed out like the use of the under the stairways. There's a wine rack. We don't have any wine at this point, but there's a lot of storage built into under the stairways.
Yeah, there's towels and stuff in here.
And there's a washing machine here, right, Angel? We don't need to show it, but there's a bathroom here, and then we'll go upstairs. This is a duplex apartment, which we like. We like the separation because we don't have an apartment this big in New York City. So come on upstairs, and we'll show you the second floor and see what you think of this. Angel, what do you think?
I like it. It's very cool.
So when you come up here, one of the first things you notice is the lovely paper birds. What do you call these?
Yeah, origami.
Or origami, I guess. Anyway, and then the wallpaper, which is kind of dramatic too. So we can do some really cool photo shoots here, probably, right? Very dramatic. Now this is a very practical layout. It is practical because it's one big room here, one big bedroom. So they have a full-size bed here, and then they have a single bed here. So if you're a family traveling with your kid, there's a place for everyone to sleep. So that's good. Let's show them the bathroom. Nice open space here. You have a walk-through closet that leads to the bathroom. And I can't find the light switch for the bathroom. Anyway, so walk-through closet and then the bathroom. And then that's pretty much it. And there's Angel. Angel's like Alfred Hitchcock. You have to like wait and see. You don't know when he's going to make his little his appearance in our creative work here. So that's it. This is our Bogota apartment for the next few days. And so stay tuned and follow me on Instagram at Mundera and on my travel blog, latinflyer.com, to find out more travel tips and stuff from Bogota and also Medellin, where we just came from. So thanks so much for checking out this apartment with us. Have a great day.
Tengan un día muy bacano.
See.